Hello, this is Daometer. So Daometer is basically a platform that enables you to shape governance workflows without actually building everything yourself. So it gives you the block that you need to actually create a DAO, monitor governance token and distribution, and even to build proposals with our flow builder. So let's actually get started. To get started, you have to click here, then connect your wallet. Okay. So this is our wallet connection because it is non-custodial. So yeah, we use your wallet for all the signing. Okay. So this is loading up. Okay. So you can see we have one DAO indexed. Then you can see one draft. So let's actually see how the DAO works. So you can see the one we created. You can actually create another DAO. So let's create a new one. So this DAO, I'm just going to name it graveyard DAO. Graveyard DAO. Okay. So for the mint, we have to generate mint, we can generate mint. So let me just do this as GDAO for the mint. So this is the community mint. Okay. So let's confirm the transaction. Okay, you can see it has been generated and the field is auto field. So you can see that's the community field. So as for the presets, this is what we are going to use in proposal. Like you can see, this is community yes. So if 60% is reached on this dial, it should be concluded as succeeded. You get. So that's basically how it works. You can see the voting time, voting scope, community based, since it's only community that is allowed to vote. That's people that have the token. So let us actually create this dial. Okay. Okay. So you can see DAO has been created, and then the governance this thing governance has been created as well. So you can see, let's just just open this up again. Open this up again. Okay, so you can see we now have two managed DAOs. So let's actually verify this on, okay, which one did it, okay, graveyard DAO. Let's verify this on Explorer. You can see. So this is already on the Explorer, and we can also see this on realms, but we have not actually created an on-chain proposal. So we are not going to see much detail, but we are going to see the DAO that it is actually active on realms dot today. So it's going to show up. Okay, you can see this is graveyard DAO, meaning that our record is on realms. It's on realms. Okay. So now you can see the governance part. In this governance part, you can mint and distribute this governance token to wallet that you want to participate in the governance. So we just put this as an utility, but in a real use case, you have to put it in a way that okay, you can be like, if this wallet have this NFT, it should give this amount of token to it, so that they can be able to vote. You get. So that's actually how it works. So then we have this flow builder. So this flow builder, although it is still flaky at this point, but this flow builder is going to enable you to create proposal in a drag and drop way. So you can create a proposal by dragging various blocks. So you can set governance, program upgrade, create token. So for instance, if you want to transfer token, you can use this you can see treasury, you can use this treasury transfer. This treasury transfer, if you click on this block, this should show in this config here, but the config is still a bit flaky. It's not stable at this point. So if you click here now, let me just try, it should show up. Or let me just try if I can see a field that can like show up at this point. Just that the whole setup is not actually stable at this time before I started making the video. But the point is that if you click on this treasury transfer, you can like edit the field here. If you edit the field, you can like create a proposal using drag and drop. So before tomorrow I should get this up and running. So during the testing part from your end, this should be like working. So after creating that flow, you can now like when you publish it, it will become part of your flow. It will become part of your proposal. It will become part of your proposal, and you can monitor the proposal, the people that vote, and all these things. So that proposal, it contains like what should happen when this DAO vote is reached. From that we created, it is like 160% of the community has voted in favor of the proposal, like it should like execute. Then you can see we have this workflow. So what workflow does is that it actually like enables you to like execute execute instruction on like it's just like an automation layer. When a particular decision is reached, you get. So that's basically like what this workflow does. So you can see when vote like okay, when succeeded, you can choose something like when succeeded, like when this although this is not live yet, but when this flow proposal succeed, you can maybe do something like send email. You can send email to a particular number. You can execute on chain action. And then if you want it to require manual approval, like you want to like actually be part of the flow, you can just turn this on so that before the thing will execute, you will be informed so that you can like approve it. So that's basically like what I built at this point. I'm still like working on it, and I hope to like improve it even more and make DAO voting on Solana like very very much better. Thank you.